Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI. Now the first thing you want to do here is of course open up a new tab. Let me just go to Google really quick here. And once you're in Google, if you're using Safari by the way or Microsoft Edge, that is perfectly fine. Now once you're in here, just type in Claude AI for that one, and you'll see this option. So look for the one with the logo orange splash, something like that, and you'll arrive here. Just by using your dummy Google account or any other account, you need to sign up and you'll be good to go. So what's first here? First is I'm using a free plan. And by the way guys, in here you can upgrade to a paid plan. These are going to be the prices, alright? These are going to be differences for individual and team and enterprise. Well anyway, for the interface itself, you can choose first here which kind of model you want. For the 3.5 Haiku, this is for Pro, which is going to be for the paid plan. More models gives you option for 3.5 Sonnet and 3.5 Opus. Now, based on my experience, 3.5 Sonnet is the best one there is. Anyway, for that one, this bottom right here can give you the options to add GitHub. You can option add click, web access, quick search, and advanced search all the way. I can remove that one to make it more clean. I can write, learn, code, live stuff, or Claude's choices. In here for the settings, you can choose what kind of prompt, search with AI, appearance, language, and support. Basically, for that one, gives you the option to really dip into it. Well, anyway, let's try this one out. If you're familiar with ChatGPT, it's basically the same thing. I'm gonna type in here, how is the weather right now in Los Angeles? It's gonna be simple as that. Now, this is gonna be real time, and Claude will answer me. As you can see right here, I don't have access to real time information. However, this is going to be for 2024. And basically for that one, this are going to be the weather. Let's try a different one. Who is the point guard? Something like that one for the Lakers in NBA. Something like that. Now let's wait for it to answer. And again, guys, this is going to be a free account. The knowledge for this one is as of October of 2024. And the answer is D'Angelo Russell. As you can see right there, it's going to be easy as that. Left side gives the option to check on your chats, new chats, and basically, this is your account. You can check all the free plans, log out, and settings, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.